Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the call waiting on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer, and it doesn't matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites, just tap on the three dots icon and tap on the settings. Here we have to choose calling accounts, and here as you can see we've got the option call waiting. For some reason my SIM card did not work properly. I've got some problems, but no worries. Let me tap on OK. If your SIM card will work fine, then you will be able to customize this option. So here we've got the call waiting, and in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here, and since it will be blue, it means that it is activated. So your device will notify you if you will be during a call that you've got other incoming calls. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the call waiting in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.